Hi guys, welcome back to another Hugh Jeffreys video. In this video, we're going to be celebrating the launch of my new online store at hughjeffreys.com/store by giving away some of my old tech products. That's right, after hundreds if not thousands of requests, I've finally opened up an online store where you can pick up used devices. I will leave a link to that down in the video's description. I am only currently shipping to Australia, however this may change in the future. I am going to be adding items to the store over the next week or so be sure to check it out. You might find yourself a bargain. As a tech YouTuber, I buy loads of devices, and while I've been trying to sell off some of what I've accumulated, I'm buying more than I can sell. So it's time to give away some of my old tech gear that I just want to give on and see reused. I've picked a few devices out that have been sitting around collecting dust. Now, I could sell these, however, I thought it was time to give back to the community and to my viewers. After all, the whole point behind my channel is to repair devices and allow them to be used once again. But before we begin, I'd like to thank iFixit for sponsoring this video. Get parts, tools, and guides at ifixit.com/HughJeffreys or at the link below. Up for grabs is 3 used MacBook Airs, a used Google Pixel, and 2 new pairs of Galaxy Buds. Winners will also receive one of iFixit's new toolkits. These toolkits house the essential pieces for most repairs. Of course, being smaller in size means they are lacking some of the more unique and different bits that you'll find in some of iFixit's other toolkits. They are definitely a great addition to have, even if you already have a toolkit. Because they're so small, they're really easy to throw in a backpack or a laptop bag if you're someone like me who's always trying to fix something on the go. The Moray kit has 32 bits compared to only 16 in the Manow. These 3 MacBook Airs all come from a previous TechLot video where I received a whole number of free MacBook Airs that a school was throwing out. All 3 are 28cm models with 128 gigs of storage. Cosmetically, there are dents, scratches, but these are still functional computers that can either run Linux or Windows. All 3 currently have Ubuntu installed, however, the winners obviously can choose an operating system of their choice to install at a later date. So they're not perfect, but they could be a good project machine. None of these items need to be brand new or perfect or absolutely immaculate. They're supposed to be free items that people can use to get an upgrade to what kind of computer they've got currently, give it to a child or a family member. Next, we have this Google Pixel 3. Like the MacBooks, it's not in the most perfect condition. This was also featured in a previous video where I got 2 Google Pixel 3 phones for only $17. There's a restoration video which I'll leave linked down in the description in case you're interested in seeing that video. The Google Pixel 3 has some marks around the frame, but the screen and back is brand new. Lastly, we have 2 pairs of brand new Galaxy Buds. I received these when I brought 2 Galaxy S21 phones from Samsung, which I filmed a teardown on to see how repairable Samsung's latest phones were. As I'm happily living in 2005 with my iPod and wired headphones, I don't need these, so I thought I'd include them in the giveaway. As I mentioned earlier, if you are chosen as a winner, along with the prize, you'll also receive an iFixit toolkit so you can repair a gadget or something you've got around the house. You never know what might break or what might need a repair or a fix, and they'll be sending one of their new toolkits out to you to be able to keep and do whatever you like with. If you're interested in going into the draw, it's important to first read the contest rules, which can be found in the description and on the contest giveaway page, which can be found at hughjeffreys.com/giveaways. These rules outline the eligibility, how the winner is selected, and the privacy policy. This video is not sponsored or endorsed by YouTube. To enter, simply leave a comment down below on why you think repair is important, then visit hughjeffreys.com/giveaways, read the contest rules, and fill out the form. It's that easy. While subscribing is not necessary, if you enjoy the satisfaction of devices being repaired or restored from a broken state, then I'd suggest checking out some of my other videos, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Contest closes the 30th of April 2021. The winner will be announced within 7 days over on my Instagram page, as well as the description of this video. The winners will be emailed based on the information provided on the website. For full details, make sure to read those contest rules. so you'll understand how this contest works. And on that note, this has been a Hugh Jeffreys video. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button and consider checking out the restoration playlist to see devices restored to their former glory. Also, be sure to check out my new online store over at hughjeffreys.com/store. That's all for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.